Hi everyone, my name is Mustafa Hassan from AAT Training Hub and I am an IATA Dangerous Goods Facilitator in Singapore. IATA requires persons who handle packaging and documentation of dangerous goods by air transport to undertake and approve training course in IATA Dangerous Goods Regulation based on the respective job roles in the aviation transport industry. This course will cover the following topics. Number one, understand the general philosophy and limitation of dangerous goods. Number two, have good knowledge of classification and identification of dangerous goods so that you will be able to identify the hazard, application of marks, labels, and be able to apply this on your DG packages. Number three, be able to recognize and prevent undeclared or hidden DG from being loaded for transport. Number four, correctly store and load the various dangerous goods hazard packages from other DG packages and special cargo in the warehouses. Number five, know the carrying limits for passengers and crew limits for DG items on board and in baggage compartment, either as check-in or hand-carried luggage. Number six, correctly apply the emergency response procedure to incidents that can occur when handling dangerous goods as per the IATA DGR 57 edition, the IMDG Chapter 7.3, and other relevant safety requirements. These are the objectives that we want to cover in this course. As you already know, dangerous goods preparation is made complicated when there is no proper communication to its preparation. You must also know that there is no compromise in preparing dangerous goods for air transport. I hope that you will learn this important skill in dangerous goods handling and be eventually able to apply this knowledge in your daily tasks. Happy learning!